I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I have a need for a hanger. Something about like this. It's going to sit up this high and we're going to hang scarves over it. Now this is a hanger that was in the bathroom that we just remodeled, so we're repurposing it. It's not going to have a lot of weight on it, so I'm just going to use these little poly anchors. I think on that one I hit a stud. I'll know soon enough. Nope, just a little extra hard bit of plaster there. There. Now I have all the clothes hangers and towel hangers and toilet paper hangers in the bathroom done, and I have a hanger for the scarves too. So I think that's enough for one night. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.